everyone, I'm Rebecca, one of the health coaches here with Symbol. And today we are going to be making a lighter version of broccoli salad. This is packed full of veggies and a great addition to any family cookout. So I have diced up one large crown of broccoli, so you can see in the bowl here, into little bite-sized pieces. To that, I'm going to add about 1 cup or 6 or 7 slices of cooked turkey bacon that have been cut up into little pieces. Then I'm gonna add about 1/3 cup of salted sunflower seeds. And then we'll go in with 1/2 cup of red onion. And I'll add 2 boxes of raisins, because this is what I have on hand. You can also use unsweetened dried cranberries, if that's more your style. Ooh. And then for the lighter version of our dressing, we will add 1/2 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. And 1/2 cup of light mayonnaise. And we'll give this a quick stir. All right, and there we have it, guys. A quick little summer salad you can easily throw together with a little bit of protein, fiber, a source of veggie. It's a great addition to a meal, or it could be a meal on its own. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a happy and safe summer.